Hey, it's Marty, and today we're going to be talking about your career prospects here in the United States. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming, but trust me, with the right preparation, you can set yourself up for success. So let me unpack my top tips for exploring career possibilities in the United States to help get you on your way. Embarking on a career in the U.S. opens doors to diverse opportunities, professional growth, and personal fulfillment. Begin by conducting research on industries, job trends, and career paths in the United States in your field of study. Explore emerging sectors of in-demand skills and employment outlooks to gain insights into the diverse range of career possibilities available. First off, internships, research and volunteer experience through career fairs, online job boards, and professional networking sites. These aren't just resume boosters, they're invaluable opportunities to get real-world experience in your field. Whether it's a summer internship, volunteering with a local organization, researching with a professor in your field, every bit counts. Now let's talk regulations. You need to know what's possible and what's not. And that means understanding things like curricular practical training, CPT, and optional practical training, OPT. CPT allows you to work in your field of study while you're still in school, but be careful not to exceed 1 year of full-time CPT work, or you will forfeit any OPT time you have. Speaking of which, OPT, optional practical training, gives you up to 1 year of work permission after you finish your degree. And if you're in a STEM field, science, technology, engineering, or math, you might be eligible for an additional 2 years through STEM OPT authorization. So make sure to check out the STEM OPT Hub for more details on that program through the Department of Homeland Security. But don't just rely on Google for all this information. Your campus has resources to help you navigate these waters. Career services or professional development offices, as well as the international office, are there to support you every step of the way. They can help you understand your options, polish your resume, prepare for job interviews, and even connect you with potential employers. I'd recommend attending career workshops and networking events to expand your professional network, gain industry insights, and discover career opportunities. Engaging with industry professionals, alumni in your field, and recruiters is important to learn about the different career paths and build valuable connections. Craft a compelling resume, cover letter, and online professional profile that can showcase your skills, your experiences, and achievements. You should practice interview skills by participating in mock interviews and receiving feedback and refining your responses through the Career Services Center. Lastly, don't wait until the last minute to start applying for jobs. The job market can be competitive in the United States, so it's crucial to start early. Even more crucial to start your paperwork for optional practical training permission well in advance of your graduation date. Have confidence in your abilities and yourself. You'll work hard to get to where you are when you finish your degree, and at that point, it's time to show the world what you're capable of. Remember your experience of taking IELTS. This helped prepare you not only for entry into the United States to begin your studies, but it also helped you become more proficient in English expressions. And that can enhance your career prospects as well and your communication skills while you're in the United States. So achieving a high score in language is also a proof to open doors to international job opportunities, academic pursuits, as well as career advancement. So in summary, get that hands-on experience, know the rules, lean on your campus resources, and don't procrastinate. With the right preparation, mindset, and opportunities seized, the sky's the limit for you. Your career would be empowered. Good luck out there, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. And with that, we conclude our series. For further details, be sure to explore the video series on the British Council account. And thank you for joining me. Be sure to like and share and take advantage of all the resources available to you.